So, what are you going to learn in this course? In this video, I am going to tell you what are the various things that we'll be learning in this course. As the course is about Google marketing, first of all, we'll set up Google account for analytics. This is really very important for the correct display of data. Make sure that the account that you are signing up or you have already made the account should be correct. We are going to track everything. This will be analyzation of data. We look to the information of visitors who visited your website, the complete details of the audience, their age, gender, their interest, etc. Now, what is the use of this? This helps in improving the marketing. We will also look at various channels through which the audience came to your website. One thing that you should always keep in mind is getting traffic is not the only task, but getting productive traffic is the main thing, or this is very important. Always know that quality has more value than quantity. During this course, we will also do content filtering, that what people like and what people don't like. And students, by the end of this course, you will have a careful understanding that how to track everything. Maybe alerts, sometimes it can be big ups or sometimes it can be downs. Why there is an inflation, why there is sometime a downward trend. All these things we are going to study one by one. You can easily track the leads, see how many leads are converted into sales. And students, most importantly, you will have the complete understanding that how can you market your products or how can you display various advertisements using Google tools. To conclude, this course is going to be in two parts. Part number 1 is Google Analytics and part number 2 will be Google Ads. Now we are going to start with part 1, that is Google Analytics. So see you in the first class.